Hi! Today we're gonna be transforming into Trixie Mattel, but we're gonna do it drunk. Also, these are my friends. This is Shabs. This is Kajal. They are my ride or dies. Would say witches, but I don't want to get burned. So to start off, we're gonna take one shot of 1942. So we're gonna take a shot. Oh my god, this is scary. Smell it?
No. Guys.
Okay, ready to get ready?
No.
First shot. Cheers to a great tutorial slash video.
That was not bad.
It wasn't.
Wait, it was kind of cute.
It went through my nose.
Are you okay?
No.
I heard that.
Not Shabs drowning in tequila. So we're gonna do eyebrows. So you guys can talk shit about me.
Okay, cute.
Ooh, let's expose Carlos on his own channel.
Okay, expose me.
Carlos and I met my freshman year.
Have some tea.
Wait, tell me about hers.
It's what?
Wait, maybe I know.
Yeah, I'll probably make it all. Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah. Guys, I'm scared to glue my eyebrow.
Honestly, I'm still kind
Like,
of ridiculous I look.
how did he get it? How? Oh my
And why is it?
God.
Why was this more purple?
I feel like all my hair is gonna come off.
Can you guys help me?
His YouTube channel.
You have to go in, so.
You gotta go in. You gotta do it full. Like, if you
Am
don't
I
look
not?
like Trixie by the end, what's
you have
the
to
point?
rub it in. You have tea on Kaja? Not if you do.
I feel like my tea is not
The tea
shareable.
has,
Big.
Caldo thought Tupac was Bigfoot.
I also didn't know Titanic was real, but don't put that in.
I didn't know that. And you're like the queen of music.
I know.
She literally,
She literally knows the words to all
Every
songs,
fucking
all
song.
raps. Like, this bitch goes off.
we go to a party, she'll start fucking out of nowhere singing the lyrics like, girl.
And twerking. Like,
At like the age of 5, I could rap Snoop Dogg, Drop It Like It's Hot. Right?
I can't do this.
just
I
do
can't
it.
No,
Fucking
no, no,
just
no.
do
You
it.
want to do it?
No.
Oh, please do it. I can't
Oh my
hurt
God,
you.
no.
Here.
It literally ripped my fucking eyelash.
Baddies. Young baddies. Sugar daddies hit us up. So now we're gonna set them with powder.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's not. Oh, look at me. I did this and then you put it.
Sorry. Ew.
Wait,
Look at
let me
me.
see. Oh my god, why is that so powdery?
We have to press it in. Like, don't like rub it. Just like press it in. What happened?
You think that we're gonna look like by the end of this?
Okay, who do you think is gonna do the best? Pause this video and then go comment.
Okay, do you think this is enough? It literally is all over my nose.
Yeah, here. I'm done. I'm ready for the next shot. We're gonna look like Voldemort in like 10 minutes.
I love that. Guys, I love Harry Potter.
Dude,
That's
Voldemort
like,
was hot. Ew, I look gross.
shot time! I was gonna
You
cuss, but
cuss.
I know, but like, what if someone from law school sees it, you know? Wait, cut this out?
You have a
Cut
clip.
the camera, dead ass.
No, literally, like, don't put this in, but I was just like, ah!
Okay, ready?
No, I'm not ready. Wait. Wait, that was so good.
That's better.
So much better.
Now we're gonna put foundation here so we can start doing our eyes.
Yeah.
We all bought foundations, our shade. Hopefully it's our shade. We're gonna look so snatched.
Wait, is this color good for me?
You just look really red. But you know,
I look red.
is this good for me? I feel like it's really yellow.
Guys, I have no eyebrow. Wait, we need to take a picture like this.
Yeah.
This is iconic.
We're creating a gradient. We should tell each other what's our favorite quality about each other.
Oh, cute.
I feel like Carlos just brings really good vibes no
Yeah.
matter what. And I know that sounds like cheesy, but like I've never seen him in a bad mood. He's super positive, and I feel like everyone just gravitates toward him, you know?
I would say that my big thing would be that you're like positive, which I guess is the same thing Chad said. Like you're always bubbly and happy. Yeah. And like you're so sweet and supportive.
If you don't support your friends, what the fuck are you doing?
My favorite thing about Shabs is that she's supportive and like non-judgmental. Literally no matter what.
What I love about Shabs is I can tell her anything, and I know she'll either put me in my place or like be like, okay, you're a bad bitch.
Yeah.
Go onto your shit.
You're bad bitch, you go into your
Yeah, literally, like she's.
Like she'll hold you accountable if you're doing
Yeah.
dumb bitch shit, which like we do.
But just not in a non-judgmental
Yeah.
way. You're like, I mean, psychology major. Hello, like she knows what she's
Wait,
talking
am I
about.
supposed to blend this? Because like my lip's black.
Yeah. My favorite thing about Kajal is she's so innocent and like she feels like my little sister.
Oh, I love that.
And also like she's literally chaotic. Okay, can we do a little story time about New Year's?
Story time.
Oh yeah.
She
I
invited-
invited multiple
She invited multiple of her
like
interests.
past, present,
Yeah.
future, possibly.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Love interests. Okay. She was literally gone drunk. So that was chaotic because like we were like, oh my god, like if she spills.
My favorite thing about her, if I had to pick my favorite thing about her specifically, I feel like she cares, like she puts other people so much before herself, always, no matter what, which is very hard to find in other people.
She'll literally live in discomfort. just
Yeah,
so you
just
can-
so that you can.
Sometimes that's a bad thing though. I feel like I need to learn.
but that's bad for when people take advantage of it.
So I just did. Cute. Like there. Okay. I'm trying. Oh my god, this is atrocious.
Ah! Ew! I look so scary. We're back. We're 2 shots in, and now we're gonna do our eyebrows. So we're gonna take another shot.
Whoa. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna pour shots.
Whoa, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. I fucked up.
Hey.
Should we put it in the fridge?
Yeah, it needs to get cold.
Ooh, he's trying to get it on. Señor Julio.
Bruh, I literally look like a fucking demon. I think we all. Oh my god. Ready? Shot 3.
Cheers, bro.
Wait, are we gonna cheers?
Cheersies. That was hot. And I was like,
Ew. Also, it's really sad how friendships work. Like how you can literally be best friends with someone at one point, and then like
strangers.
strangers. Like it literally reminds me of Marky Basie's song "You and I."
Yeah, I really got it.
Ready?
Ready by the end of the night.
Alright.
We're back.
We're back, bitches.
After an hour. Literally, we took an hour off just to eat chicken nuggets. We also took another shot, so we're like,
4.
what?
Okay, what are we choosing to this time?
Let's finish our eyes. We're using this next one that Trixie herself recommended on her YouTube video. Are you guys ready?
Okay, what are we doing?
We're making a little eyelid and then the
Where's
bottom.
the eyelid? I'm like really confused.
No one ever gave a fuck.
Right, Shazzy? It's just supposed to be a little.
It's also be
It's
like-
okay, your eyelids can be cute.
Imagine if the Venmo guy came today and he was just watching us
Wait,
do all
what?
that. The guy that he was like, oh, I'm only a little bit younger. Imagine if the guy was just sitting right there just watching.
Not Venmo, but also it wasn't Venmo, it was Total One.
It-
Basically, we went to.
You're right. Now I'm gonna set my lids with white shadow from the
Make
James
sure you wait
Charles
for Shabsy.
palette. JK, we're gonna wait for Shabs. And then I'll set my eyelid with James Charles' palette. How do I look, guys? So far, who do you think is doing the best? I honestly think we're all kind of doing it.
No, I feel like each of ours is like iconic. You know?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Trixie, sweet.
I feel like I'm doing her a disservice by like even trying her.
I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go for it.
Okay, go for it.
Like you want another.
When I get wet feet like I'm stuffing.
Bro, this is a lot of eyeliner. Okay, we're gonna start on the eyeliner, but we'll be right back. Because my camera's gonna die and I don't feel like standing up right now. So, let's see. Okay, so I know we look different again. Different angle, different eyes. It's just my camera keeps dying and I'm not in the mood to like. Now we're gonna do the rest of our foundation. So we're gonna take another shot. I'm scared. Ready? Cheers, boys.
Cheers.
Not bad. Oh my god, look at me. Foundation time. Oh, we love Florida.
Oh my god, yes. Tell the people about Florida, Shams, and who you were.
I'm a different person in Florida. I don't know why. I just didn't know anyone, so like I had the capability to act up, you know? So I reinvented myself. Not really. I just wanted to act out because I was like, they're not gonna judge me because they don't know me, so they can't compare anything to me. Oh my god, my foundation is oxidized so much on top that this is a different color.
Yeah, literally
Same.
same here.
I look orange.
So we went out and there was this baseball player who like I had had in class before. I could have secured the bag, but I missed my chance. The next morning he just like woke me up with like kisses on my cheeks, like just started kissing my cheeks to wake me up in the morning. And fucking ghosted me. And then he got signed by the Pittsburgh Pirates and he like got baseball famous and I needed a girlfriend.
What's next? Contour?
Contour.
Ooh. I'm literally just gonna. We all have a blank piece of paper that we're gonna use our cheeks
Because I didn't
against.
have index cards.
Hopefully it's straight.
Is that what yours looks like? Oh, cute.
We look crazy with papers on our face. Fucking. This is like the least messiest drunk I've been in a drunk transformation.
Cute.
All we have to do is blush and highlighter and lips. We're gonna take a shot first.
Chase with the chicken nugget. Chase with the chicken nugget. Chase with the chicken nugget.
We look like driplets. Holy
This is
shit.
why. Oh my god, ew. This needs to be blended, but wow. Wait, guys, we're so cute. Oh my god, sorry, I forgot I was recording. What are we doing?
We're just contouring on
I never contoured my nose. How do I do that?
Honestly, I'm just putting black on my eyes. I'm tired of that shit. Shut up, little black.
We have 10 minutes.
We have 10 minutes. No, we don't.
Wait, we have to put lashes on too, guys.
Forgot. Okay.
Twice. This is Trixie Mattel Jr. and Trixie Mattel Jr. Oh my god. I hope you guys liked today's video. Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe, follow them on Instagram, my besties. And see you guys in the next one. Bye. Because you know how to do the hearts.
Yeah, cute.
If you know I'm